This miracle takes place in Trani, Italy, where a non-Catholic woman went to church, received communion with the other Catholic women, and stole a Holy Communion and brought it home because she wanted to experiment on it. So she got it home and she put it in a frying pan. She poured some oil, and the moment she did that, blood started gushing out and started flooding her entire house and fell all on her. These are the pictures related to the miracle that took place. Yeah, I feel this entire exhibition is a way to help Catholics unite together and increase their faith in Catholicism. There are various miracles, right from Holy Eucharist to the Ciboriums, to how the whole Holy Eucharist are found by doves being spread all around. The people who have gathered here, they help to share their faith in Catholicism and help to improve the way that we think about Jesus and help to improve our faith. As Catholics, we must promote all of this and be good holy Catholics and come and help through whatever goes on in the world. This is a really good inspiration because Carlo Acutis was somewhere around our age, and it gives us a huge impression, and he's a huge motivator for us to fall into the Catholic community, to follow his works. Genuinely, I did not know about all these miracles, but getting to know them, getting to explain them to different people helped me to also understand the importance of his work, to understand the importance of Catholicism, and helps us to understand our religion better. I won't say that, but I will try my best to always attend Mass every Sunday as much as I can until there is something that really keeps me from not attending.